Let's make a super pretty lemon themed washable cutting board with this napkin. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So before y'all get all up in my business, it's a cutting board. It says it. Am I going to use it for a cutting board? No, but it's glass. It's from Dollar Tree, whatever. So I remove all of the little feet. They're just little silicone feet. And then I wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. And then I have this napkin. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby, but it might have been Dollar Tree. And we get it down to 1 ply. That's probably the hardest part of this whole project. All right, so we have it down to 1 ply, and then on our cutting board, we're going to, so one side is rough, the other side is smooth. You're gonna put some dishwasher safe Mod Podge on the smooth part. Yes, I have mine on a little Lazy Susan I had gotten at Target, but you could do this on a regular, you don't need a Lazy Susan. It just makes it a little easier. But anyways, so we're gonna just cover the back with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Can you do this with other Mod Podge? Sure, but then you won't be able to wash it. Dishwasher safe, yes. And before anybody comes at me, you can wash dishwasher safe Mod Podge before 21 days if you're hand washing. If you want this to go in the dishwasher, you have to wait 28 days. Okay, I don't have any time for that. All right, so now we've got our Mod Podge down, and we're going to get our 1 ply napkin, and we're going to put it pretty side down. You want it pretty side facing the cutting board, okay? Okay, and then we're just going to, however you want to place it down there. And then I may have made a little bit of a mistake doing this, but I put a piece of parchment paper on top just so I could smooth it out. And see how you can see where my brayer is going? That means that that Mod Podge is really wet, and that means that this is going to stick to my surface. It worked out, but just be mindful. If you do this, be really slow. See how it's stuck? So you just have to be really mindful pulling it up because you don't want to pull your napkin up. I was lucky this time though, friends. But there we go. Perfect. Okay. If I were to just tear it off, it would have pulled it right up. Then I put another layer of Mod Podge. This is, again, the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. I put another layer of that, just cover the bottom. And then I sanded off the edges. After I sand off the edges, I let it dry. And then I do 1 more layer of dishwasher safe Mod Podge. So that is 3 layers of dishwasher safe Mod Podge. That is just to make sure that we have this on there and it's not going to go anywhere. I have done this multiple times with plates and these cutting boards, and they last. I've had some that have been years as long as you wash them hand washing. I've not put them in the dishwasher because I don't want to ruin it. So I'm not chancing it. All right, so there it is. We put the little, once it's all dry, 3 layers around there, it's all dry. We put our those little nubby feet. They're really sticky. Put them back on. If you're really freaked out about it, you could put more glue on the back of it, like E6000 or whatever. I didn't. I just placed it back on, and I've never had an issue. And there it is. And you ready? Watch this. Oh my God, look at how pretty it is. What? I'm obsessed. I love it. Now here it is on my Hoosier cabinet, but wait, look at it on my desk. What? Look at how, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Now, no, I won't use it for cutting, but I will use it for, like a little charcuterie board or to put little things on my table. Anyways, however you do it, it is so cute, and I hope you'll try it. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and I hope this inspires you.